So we currently employ 3 engineers that are full stack oriented, so working both on Ruby backend and JavaScript frontend. And we also employ 1 front-end engineer that specifically focuses on front-end. And we also work with product managers who help us day-to-day with clarifying requirements. And that's the team. Well, we embraced async work, so a lot of things that we're doing asynchronously. For example, engineering stand-ups and a lot of work on stuff that don't require syncing up in person, we handle online. And this is working well for us so far. We also keep in touch and have, project meetings, as well as plannings, retrospectives, stuff that keep us together, tie us together, and also, can help us work closer together, I guess. We are looking to hire a SRE now because we are at this point that we need a dedicated person to lay down a good groundwork for infrastructure going forward. We have been working with multiple clients and designing infrastructure for them, but we are at this point that we are starting to grow rapidly, and we need to set up infrastructure in a way that will be scalable and will be pleasant to work with going forward. And that brings another set of challenges that dedicated SRE person. So we are currently using AWS. There are also some considerations going towards Google Cloud. And as far as the tooling around it, we are using GitOps as much as possible. We are using Pulumi for infrastructure as a code. There is some consideration about moving towards Terraform, so this is potentially one way that we could go with it. We are also working with relatively small number of AWS services, so we try to keep pretty cloud agnostic in general. And we have a mixture of different things, ranging from Docker composing to Kubernetes cluster that is run for our enterprise clients. A SRE person will hopefully have a major impact on the direction that we are heading with our infrastructure, and will probably have a major role in choosing the solutions that we pick. We are very much open again to hiring somebody who will be both individual contributor working on the tech stack, as well as a person who would be more inclined moving towards more management position in time, leading a team of infrastructure oriented engineers.